I wanna show you how to make an impact effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, I have already added my video clip to my timeline. The first thing that you need to do is to create the adjustment layer. Right click of the mouse, new item, adjustment layer. Add your adjustment layer above your video clip. Fix the duration of the adjustment layer based on your video clip. Next step is to identify all the impacts in your clip by putting a marker. To do this, just press M and you will see that marker will appear. So, in my case, I'm going to apply the marker to all impacts that I want to evidence. Then, go to Effects and write Transform. Add your transform effect to your adjustment layer. Now, go to the Effects control and under the Transform, uncheck the Composition Shutter Angle and change the value of shutter angle to 200. Perfect. Move your timeline to the beginning of the adjustment layer and under the Transform, click the stopwatch icon to the scale. Then, move to the first impact in your video and change the scale to 120. From here, we want to move 2 frames back by using the left arrow key and change the scale to 100. And then, move 4 frames ahead and set it to 100. Highlight and copy your keyframes by right-clicking and selecting Copy. And moving your timeline to the points of your impact, we are going to paste the effect. Do it for all impacts points. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.